Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video, and today I'm excited about this video. This video is about, I was thinking about, where do I start with the online business? Where do I start I want to make money online, so where do I start? Now, I've been doing this for 3.5 years now, and I wish I would have done these things in the beginning. So there's so many programs out there that would teach you to make money with Instagram, paid traffic, free traffic, blogging, YouTube, Facebook, make money with ebooks, Amazon FBA. There's so many ways to make money online. Okay, there's so many ways to make money online. You don't know where to go. So this video for people who want to start an online business or make money online, and they have no clue where to start. So with my 3.5 years, and I wish I'd done it in the beginning, the first two, you need two things starting off. Okay, and I advise anybody who wants to learn, if someone would ask me, where do I start? I would do these two things first. First thing I would get is a niche. Get something that you're into that you could talk about and you can make videos about. That's the first thing. The second thing you need is a YouTube channel. You need a YouTube channel to talk about your niche, okay? And if you're shy, you don't want to be on camera, that's fine. There's free software you could download. You can screen capture your computer. You can you could just advertise products, or you don't have to be on camera. You could be behind the camera talking. So you need a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is free and it costs no money to upload any videos. Okay, so YouTube channel is a must. That's the first place I would start. I would pick a niche we interested in. You could do home improvement. If you know how to do fish, you know how to fish. You know how to build things. You know how to fix cars. That's your niche. Make videos about that. Okay. The second thing I would get, which I wish I'd done this a long time ago, is start a blog. Start a blog. Okay. Start a blog. Talk about your niche that you do YouTube videos about, and blog. Okay, blogging nowadays is easy to start. I mean, you can set a blog up in like 5 minutes with Bluehost. You go to a one-click install. I buy my domains through Bluehost. So I go to GoDaddy, you find a domain. Once I find what's available, I go to Bluehost. I buy it through Bluehost. Once I buy it through Bluehost, it takes 2 minutes. I could install WordPress in 2 minutes. And in 5 minutes, I can have a new WordPress site up in 5 minutes. So I buy my domains through Bluehost. You go through your cPanel, go to a one-click install. You install WordPress. And from there, change the theme. You publish content. And if you need help with WordPress, you go to YouTube, whatever you're trying to do. So anyone who wants to start an online business or make money online, I will definitely start with those two first, a blog and a YouTube channel. Now, you probably working 40 hours a week. You probably have a family, you have kids, husband and wife. You got family you got to take care of. You got friends you hang out with, but you wanted something more. You want to make more money. You want to start a side business. Those two things where I would start, the YouTube channel and the blog. If I was starting my blog 3.5 years ago, because I did my last video, I saw how much traffic I was getting. I got 1,100 in November, and I got 1,200 in December. So my traffic has gone up. Not a bunch, but every month there's growth. If I started my blog 3.5 years ago, if I started my blog when I first started trying to make money online, how big would the blog be today? How big would the blog be today? If I did just 2 blog posts per week, and you can start from that, I'll tell anybody, do YouTube channel, do videos, do a blog post about the video you've done, and do 2 blog posts a week. With 2 blog posts a week, you can manage that. I could do 4 or 5 blog posts a week, work on 40 hours, and have family at home. So again, technology has changed. You could start a blog, okay? In my past videos, you use the WordPress app on your phone. And you do blog posts at work. That's what I do at my blog. I blog while I'm at work on my 15-minute breaks and my hour lunches. I pull my phone out and I start blogging. You just download the free WordPress app. It's free to download. You log in, you select the blog, you put your password in, and you open a brand new blog. Give it a title and start blogging from work. So you can blog from work. So times have changed. You don't have to sit there on your desktop or laptop and write content, you write content on the go. If you live far away from your job, let's say you live 4 to 5 minutes from your job, I mean, you could have a car mount, have text to speech, and you can write a blog post while you're driving. Not typing, but you could talk and text at the same time. So you could do blog posts going to work and do a blog post coming back from work. You do a blog post at work as well on your lunch break. So if I was starting my blog, hear me out. If I was starting my blog 3.5 years ago, just do 2 blog posts per week, my blog would have been 10 times as big as it is now. 10 times as big. My YouTube channel. I did start my YouTube channel 3.5 years ago, and that's built up some steam as well. So I did start that. But that's where I began. Don't worry about buying traffic. Don't worry about landing pages. What you need all those tools. So you need landing pages. You need email software. But there's just, where do I start? Where do I start making money online? I would start with a blog and YouTube channel. Okay? So again, if you want to start on Bluehost right today, you get your hosting account, get your free domain with that. My link below the video. Also, you want to learn how to make, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing with a free training. I have free training. Don't gotta buy anything. I have a affiliate bootcamp below the video as well to show you how to make money online. Affiliate marketing, be a super affiliate in under 90 days for free. Don't cost you anything to get into. That's my gift for people who watch this video. But you want those below video, the links. But that's where I would start. I would start with a blog and a YouTube channel, okay? Start with those 2, because once your blog gets the traffic, then getting other tools will be much easier. It's hard to get all these tools and don't know where to go, don't know how to use them. Get your blog, get your YouTube channel. YouTube channel, you can start with, you don't need a camera for a YouTube channel, use your cell phone. Right now, I'm making this video with my cell phone. I'm in my work, I'm in my job's parking lot, about to go home, and I'm making a video for my cell phone. After this video's cut, I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. It's that simple. You could create videos, you create 2-3 videos a week, do 2-3 blog posts a week. And if you give it time, over time, your blog will start getting traffic. So if you don't believe me, look at my last video. I posted, I took my blog more seriously, and I'm getting more views per month because I started taking my blog seriously. So with a blog, I expect not, maybe 6 months to a year for it to gain some real traction. But it's a start. You want to start making money online. You want a good place to start. What I do is I create a bunch of blog posts and I timestamp them. I do a blog post every other day. So it's about 3 blog posts a week. I got that blog post that lasts me 3 months. So now the blog will run itself. Now I can do something else in between time. I can start on a blog. I can do some more YouTube videos. I can do a little paid traffic I want to. I can dabble in some other online stuff as well if I choose to. Because my blog will run itself. I don't have to watch it and hit publish every other day. I timestamp my work. That's one of the best things I love about blogging, because you could timestamp your work. You can blog on your cell phone. You can blog on your tablet. If you go into a family trip or going out of town, you don't need a laptop with you. You can blog on your phone. You can blog on the airplane. You can blog on the bus. I love the WordPress app, and having a blog is probably one of the best and cheapest ways to make money online. So I hope take heed of this video. Didn't want to make it this long, but where do I start with an online business? Where do I start making money online? Because there's so many ways to make money online. So many ways. So many tutorials. So many programs teaching how to make money online. Where do I start? And my recommendation is I will start with a YouTube channel and a blog. Get your blog up and running. Just don't open the blog. Write blog posts. Write content. Let it get ranking. Then timestamp your work. Then do something else while your blog's getting traffic. So this is from Ty, FinesseKing.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.